Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Guys, today we will see how to record a presentation. Mean you have presentation, you want to deliver your presentation with your voice. So how you can do while using Microsoft PowerPoint software. So let's go there. I have already prepared a small presentation in 3 slides. So how to use the function and how you can record your lecture while using the function. So what you need to do is that you have to go to the slideshow ribbon, slideshow tab or slideshow ribbon. In that you have so many functions. One function that you will find that is record slideshow. Whatever the slides you have, you need to record it in your voice. So just click it. You will find 2 functions: start recording from the beginning, start recording from current slide. If you want to just record your current slide, you can do by operating this function, or if you want to have the record of the whole lecture or whole presentation, then you need to start from the beginning. So click this function as I do. So you will see, select what you want to record before you beginning record: slide and animation timings, narration and laser pointer. So if you press this button, recording will be started. So let's start and record the presentation. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm using the PowerPoint function to record my presentation. Okay, let's start. So your presentation have been started. The presentation is in front of you. Now you have to record your presentation, and recording has been started. You can see here. So your recording has been started. How to record a lecture using PowerPoint function presented by Professional Consultancy and Training. So this is the first slide that you are presenting, and your voice is recording with the presentation. This is the second slide. Professional Consultancy and Training. What are the contents of this presentation? Company profile, description about the business and services that have been provided by the Professional Consultancy and Training. So Professional Consultancy and Training is a registered business or company by the FBR, and it has a registered business account, it has a registered address, each and everything is registered. What does it do? Basically it gives the consultancy and trainings. Consultancy about the education, about the visa, about the scholarship, about the Hajj and Umrah packages, services, and cheap flight tickets, boardings, how to reserve hotels, how to apply for different type of visas, work visas, business visas, student visas and visit visas. And on the other side, trainings. It gives you trainings about trainings for the students, particular for the students and for the professionals as well, in which you will find IT skills, soft skills, management skills and different software trainings that you can be provided in this business or company. So services, different services have been provided, particularly related to the consultancy and training. So this is the third slide, in which contact details are given. So this is the address of this business: Faculty Incubation Office, B-Icon Business Incubation Center of Namal, Salam Block, Namal, National University of Modern Languages, H91, Islamabad. And this is the contact details and WhatsApp number. You can call, you can message, you can WhatsApp. 0092 is the Pakistan code. 333 620 5507. You can approach by messaging, call or WhatsApp. And this is the email address consultancy.pct@gmail.com. So you can approach, you can have, if you have any query, if you want to have any consultancy, you can approach while using these contact details. Thank you very much. So I have finished all the recording of my presentation, whatever. So if you have 3 slides, 5 slides, 10 slides, and whatever the topic is, and you have prepared your slides in PowerPoint, and now you want to have voice recording as well, so you can do whatever the slides will run, and it will. So I will show you now. So I just stop it. So recording paused. Yes, recording have been done. So what I will do, I will just press this button, no record. So what is the sign? This is the sign that you will see that your voice have been recorded. So now I will keep quiet and I will play this for you. So now you will listen the recording whatever have been done. So your presentation have been started. The presentation is in front of you. Now you have to record your presentation, and recording has been started. You can see here. So your recording has been started. How to record a lecture using PowerPoint function presented by Professional Consultancy and Training. So this is the first slide that you are presenting, and your voice is recording with the present. Yes, now we'll go to the second slide. We'll play it. This is the second slide. Professional Consultancy and Training. What are the contents of this presentation? Company profile, description about the business and services that have been provided by the Professional Consultancy and Training. So Professional Consultancy and Training is a registered business or company by the FBR, and it has registered business account, it has registered address, each and everything is registered. What does it do? So this is the third slide that we have recorded. So this is the third slide in which contact details are given. So this is the address of this business: Fidelity Incubation Office, VICOM Business Incubation Center of Namal, Islam Block, Namal, National University of Modern Languages, H91, Islamabad. And yes, so this you have clearly listened and watched and listened that your presentation, what you have prepared, and your voice notes or voice recording with that presentation. So this is very simple and easy. What you need to do is that you need to prepare your presentation, all the material in the presentation, and on the other side you can have your detailed material with you. You can, if you want to read it, if you want to just do in a good way, write your sentences or details about the data that is in the presentation, just read it. And what you need to do is that just go to the slideshow tab, and you will find a function named as record slideshow. Press this button, start recording from the beginning. So if there is any problem in the recording, you can clear. For example, this recording, you don't like this recording, just go there and clear it. And now you can do it by pressing the button start recording from the current slide and do it again. If you think that recording is not good, you can do it again, remove it and do it again. So this is the easiest way that you can record your presentation or lecture while using the Microsoft function. So if you have any question, if you feel that you don't understand anything, you just try it. If you don't understand, you can leave the message in the comment. Thank you very much.